Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the motion in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see three dots. Press on it. After doing so, you should select here the first option, which is settings. And here you can see under the display options category the motion. It is the second option there. Just press on it and you can see here the animated art being activated and the Redos now playing motion is deactivated. So this is how you will find it by default. Now you can activate or deactivate any of these depending in your preference, and after doing so you can just move back and it will be saved. You can see if you go back to it, it is exactly the same as I left it to be. So yeah, basically this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.